Another global navigation type that you have an option of using is tabs. The tab bar is a global navigation point that allows you to provide access to certain sections no matter where the end user is in the app. This is typically located on the bottom of the screen and it's displayed throughout every page of the app. When you create a new app from scratch, you can choose either tabs only or tabs with a navigation bar. However, if you've already begun building your app like we have here, you have the option to be able to make that change by going to App Stores, Phone Settings, choose your option. So here I'm going to choose the tab bar only, and then click Save to save that change. When you go back to your home screen, your tabs will be down here at the bottom. On additional pages, there will be a placeholder there for tabs, but your tabs will actually be configured on the home screen and can be seen here. By default, you already have a home tab. When you create the app from scratch and choose tabs, your home tab will already be pointed to the home screen. However, because I changed it after I had already created the app, I can go to Properties, point my home tab to my home screen, go to Style, and then I can choose my icon image. We have a library of icon images available in gray and white. You have the option of using whichever one you would like. So you can scroll through the menu and you can look for the different image that you would like to choose. If you want a custom made image, you can send us the images that you would like to use instead. However, do be advised that once they are added to this library, they will be available for everyone that uses the MobileSmith platform. Once you have chosen the correct icon image that you want to use, your home tab will work. To create additional tabs, you will right-click and insert a tab after the home screen. Anytime you try to add a tab after the home screen, it will only give you the option of after. However, on additional tabs, you can right-click and insert a tab before or after. You can have up to 5 tabs in your tab bar. If you want one to be removed, you can right-click and hit delete. If you find that you have put a tab in the wrong place, you can drag and drop them into the order that you want them. The only tab you will not be able to move is the home screen. There is a special property behind the home tab. Like the flyout menu, you can choose a row and make it your default landing page. However, on tabs, your home tab can be assigned to a different app block to make another app block your home screen instead. In this case, I have chosen my current home screen to be home, but if you wanted to create a one-item app block and put image buttons on the canvas and point your home tab to that screen as your home screen, you can do that. So that's a little bit about tabs. You will notice that on iOS and Android, they do operate a little bit differently. On iOS, they will appear as they do in the platform. In Android, they are animated. So some of the tabs, if you tap on one, is going to pull up to the front. But if you have any questions on what global navigation type to use, you can talk to your client success representative and we'll be able to assist you further.